Welcome back to Review One Box. In today's video we are going to talk about the next generation of Ford Fiesta, so before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to enable notification alert for the upcoming videos. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram by using our official handle at Review One Box. Links are also provided in the description below. This year marks the end of the Fiesta nameplate as Ford has already announced its retirement. For many years, Fiesta has been one of the most popular cars in Europe, but sadly, we won't get to see the next generation of the iconic small hatchback. Still, the CGI expert has depicted a rendering of the next generation Fiesta, imagining it with the updated Ford corporate styling. The car shown in the renderings receives a wide radiator grille and two-story front optics. LED running lights are located on top and main lights are built into the bumper down below. The car is depicted both as a regular hatchback and as an active cross version with plastic linings on the arches and sills. On the side, one of the most interesting elements are the retractable door handles, like on the new Mondeo. In the same style, side mirrors are made with black housings as well as a contrasting black roof. At the rear, the car received new lights and a bumper with a contrasting black insert. The Fiesta's place on the assembly line will be taken by the all-electric Ford Explorer crossover, which premiered in March of this year. Consider this rendering a homage to the Fiesta nameplate, which still holds a special place in our hearts. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for more information regarding vehicles. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.